School wasn't a happy place for me, and primary school definitely was a waste of time. I basically had two types of teachers. The ones that wanted to batter the speech impediment out of me, and the ones that couldn't deal with it and ignored me. One teacher used to lift you out there and the blood running down your ears, used to stand on your toe, and I remember going home with a shoulder all black and blue, punching the shoulder, making his speech stop stuttering and punching you. By the time I got to secondary school, I was unteachable. I had no homework, so I went home and lifted a stick, poked the ball against the wall, and that was basically my life. It was the only thing I was half decent at. It was basically the only thing in my life. It was the beyond, it was everything.